Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new one chapter of history section. Okay, as you know that we have not done any chapter of this section. And French Revolution, we are discussing about French Revolution. How French Revolution broke out? What are the process? What circumstances leading to a French Revolution? What is the course of French Revolution? What is the course of French Revolution is here कि 14th July 1789 city of Paris was what is the capital of France? Paris was in state of alarm. King had commanded कि on that time you know about that French ruler was there, King Louis XVI. Okay, and the king always take the taxes from the people. Third estate, three estates were there. First estate, second estate, and third estate. And third estate always paying the taxes, and first and second estate always enjoy the privileges. Okay, and I shared with you the course of revolt. French Revolution broke out in 14th July 1789. What's happened? कि their rumor were there spread that कि King Louis XVI would soon order the army to open fire on the citizens of France. Some 7,000 men and women gathered in the front of town hall and decided to form a people militia कि लोगों को how we are going to attack the people and revolt against the ruler. They broke into number of government buildings in search of arms. कि they know about that कि if there were arms then we can damage that, and they search out that in government buildings in the arms कि there will be arms or not, हथियार है या नहीं. कि finally a group of several hundred people marched toward the eastern part of the city and stormed the forest and fortressed prison. And first what they do कि those people, those who are going to object the Louis XVI, they all put in the jail. First what their people do, they broke out the Bastille jail, hope to find hoarded ammunition कि वहाँ पे शायद इन्होंने हथियार रखे, गोला बारूद रखा होगा. ओके, इट्स कमांडर द कमांडर ऑफ द बेस्टाइल वाज किल्ड एंड प्रिजनर जिनको बांधा हुआ था, अंदर रखा हुआ था जेल में, उनको ऑल रिलीज्ड बाय द पीपल. ओके, ओनली देयर वर ओनली 7 of them released, though there were only 7 of them, yet Bastille was hated. कि that's why people hated Bastille. People of France always hated Bastille because all prisoners they put in the jail in Bastille. Bastille, it is a type of jail. Okay, fortress was demolished. उसको किले को पूरे को उन्होंने ध्वस्त कर दिया. And its stone fragments were sold in the market to all those who wished to keep a survivor of its destruction. Mean कि they want to destruct the whole system made by Louis XVI. The day that followed saw more rioting, both in Paris and countryside. Whole were the rioting. Rioting mean dange fasad. All revolutionary damage the government buildings as well as public parks and other things. कि most people were protested against the high prices of bread because on that time all taxes given by your third estate. Okay, and price of your bread all were increased. When historians looked back upon this time, they saw it is the beginning of chain of events ultimately led to the execution of the king in France. कि हालात ऐसे बनते गए कि this type of revolt always bring a good result for the people, not a monarch or not a remark and diplomatic monarch and your dictator. Always it's create a problem to this type of people, those who are ruling on the government and don't care of the people. Okay, up to here you read, and later on I will share with you something else. Okay, thank you.